Welcome to my garden studio. We are talking two-season container gardens. How do you make them? It's easy peasy, and I'm going to show you how right now. We have a garden that has gone astray. It is way past its prime. You can tell because the heat's got to it. We have some dead pieces. How do we revive this? What do we do to make this really a fantastic container garden again? We have a blue Juncus dart. Look at this fabulousness. It is still fresh, it's still green, and it's perfect for planting in the garden. The first thing we do is get a tool, whichever tool you prefer, to cut into the soil. All right. Oh, awesome. This is lifting right out. Hold on, I've got to cut the back. And I'm going to compost this. And now we are left with all of this amazing container space here at the bottom of the container. Let's dig out some of this soil, but keep the soil that is around the blue Juncus. All right, I have dug out more than half of this container. And what's left is the root system from the Juncus. Here's my soil. And I'm using Beyond Peat soil, which is peat-free, and it also has organic fertilizer in it. So you don't need to fertilize this up to 3 months after planting. Let's fill the bottom with the soil and then plant her up. It is important to loosen the roots. I do this over the soil and just dig my hands in a little bit. And let's plant this Thai pepper right down in here. All right. This is a sweet potato vine, and let me tell you, this thing is going to be quite prolific. It'll get very big. Put that in. And then last but not least, the purslane. If you need more soil, just put a little more in around the plants as you plant them. And that's our two-season container garden. It is easy to replace plants throughout the season whenever you need to and end up with a beautiful container all season long. I'm Shauna Coronado on behalf of Beyond Peat Potting Soil. Use Beyond Peat. It's peat-free, it's good for the environment, and it holds up to 7 times the water of traditional potting soil. So your container can last longer with less water. That's a smart way to grow.